just came from the store. Motherfucking Tic Tacs and Big Packs. What, bitch? Creepy ass niggas staring at my ass. What the fuck you looking at? It's in my fucking bag. What, bitch? Yeah, I'm fresh. And I rip it off like it's hair on your chest. Yeah, bitch, I just said that. My nigga going harder than fucking Trey Songz trigger. Oh! Yeah, I just said that. Yo, so fucking high right now. I swear to God, I am. Bitches be with that. Fucking dog walking down the street. I'm scared. It ain't got no leash on. Motherfucker, I'm scared. Scared. Oh, they loving the crew. That's the girl about me. She's fucking me too. Yeah, I'm all in that shit. Fucker, it's like, damn, I lost it. Fuck. It's like, damn. See, now I'm stumped. And I can't think of what I was about to say, but it was mad fresh. Oh yeah. I got your girl, nigga. I'll be all up in that. Got you sitting there and surprise witnessing that. Yeah. I love it when I eat her. And fuck it, I'm not you, nigga. I don't beat her. Pussy's so tight and it's so wet. Can't breathe, yo. Okay, so wet. She got that pussy you will never forget. Yeah. Laying in the bed, kissing and hugging. All about that shit, touching and rubbing. Yeah, nigga. Niggas riding on their bikes in the hood. Fuck it. Nigga. I'll be in my car. Book a bike. I'll be in my car. But I'm kind of walking right now because, you know, my car is in the shop and it's getting fixed, you know. But yeah, from crusty ass Guatemalans is gone. They don't know. It's 3 in the morning. Car's sitting, doors open. Motherfuckers is choking. What? Bitches getting in, cause you know they be all about that shit. Ooh, yeah, touch me right there. Yeah, baby, touch me right there. Oh, shit, touch me right there, bitch. With my clip, bitch. Suck my clip, bitch. Be all about it, bitch. Look at that. Like that shit, bitch. Oh shit, they put the music up on the second floor, bitch. That's where we going, bitch. Eating the Oreos and drinking Monster, bitch. And fucking fruit punch, nigga. Walking up the stairs, it's about to get dark. I'm really black, so don't ask me. Oh shit, they bumping the music. That's when our video for YouTube is get in it. Engine.